Just got off work at 6:30, 6:37 to be exact. I'm on my way home. We're going to turn this everyday driver into a camper and get the heck out of town. There is a match that I have to be at in 12 hours, and it's not that far away, but I need to sleep in there and eat, do some other stuff, pack the car, shower, see my dogs, all that crap. So it's going to be a whirlwind tour, and I'm going to take you with me, and I'm not going to make a long video out of it. I promise this is going to be a quick video. It's going to be fun and happening and happy, and you just stick around with me and we're going to have a great time. Haha, let's do this. This match is a little different. It's an everyday carry match. So we're shooting completely from concealed. I will be carrying appendix and with a small pack for most of the match, and then we can come back to the vehicle. It's as though you're at a park and somebody else gone, and you come running in and you take care of business, go through some obstacles, and then you can resupply once you're back to your vehicle and go back out and take care of more business, I guess is the concept of it. So there'll be a chance for me to come back and grab some more gear and head out. So I'll be having an opportunity to try out my new 511 belt. Not sponsored, wish I was. Whew, that thing was expensive, but man, it's nice. My wife treated me for my birthday. I got an entire new 511 system. I am excited to try that out. This will be his first time other than just running around the house, so it'll be exciting. And then yeah, we're gonna camp a little bit along the way. I want to try to get as far as I can tomorrow night. I don't want to have to stay over till Sunday. I'm trying to make this a 24-hour trip. We're gonna get home, get the car loaded up, bang, get on the road, and get having some fun. Need to grab some tools. Take the front seat out real quick. That pile's gonna go in the truck. That's it. This whole process used like 2 hours to do the whole vehicle and to swap it out to be a camper. Now it takes minutes. Just a few minutes. It's really easy. That's for it. Electric ratchet. Ooh. 4 bolts. Oops. Okay, headrest has to go down. See, this is the right spot. There we go. Let's look at these bolts. There. All stuff's already in there. Just kind of lives in there. That's it. Right back on its tracks. Out she comes. Voila. 4 bolts. Back. Now I can back in the garage. Take care of everything else. I'm gonna get out to Missouri. It'll be fun.
So this process used to take me literally like 3 hours to convert this thing from a road vehicle back into a campsite. I'm gonna make a video, I promise. I'm gonna make a video of the evolution of the Renebago, but for now, we're going to start a timer. Ready? Put that up there. In all fairness, I did pack my bags ahead of schedule, but most of the stuff just stays here, ready to go. lid open. My new pack. You've watched. Got that at Bucky's about 3 months ago, 2 months ago. When I get there, my new 511 belt. Thank you, my love. Right, a little Clash and Con. Alright, this event is going to get really wet and really muddy. So I'm literally bringing a bunch of towels. It's supposed to rain. On and off. It's been raining on and off. Close, everything. Thought ahead. Toiletries. I usually end up putting those in my bag and I don't think about it until the next morning and I'm like, oh man, I'd like to brush my teeth. Well, toiletries. Oh. Hat bag. Shitty. There, man. I'm not bringing the big 9-gallon jug. It's just too big. And I don't need all that water. We're just showing how much water bottles in there. That. "10 minutes. That's awesome, man. It's like 7:15 now. Look at the wrong camera. It's like 7:15. I'm gonna be on the road and showered and hitting the. See? Bam. Everything's on. Still packed. Reloaded my coffee. It's got some espresso green grounds in it now. Bam. Just gotta put my tablet up. My ham radio died. Really annoyed. My ham radio died. I can receive, I can see everything. I just can't transmit. It's really annoying. But at least I have my tablet still. It can run maps and navigation while I'm there. I know I'm going completely off grid. As soon as I park at Brent's property, I lose all cell service. So we're going to put the Wii Boost to a test and see how that works. Hopefully it'll work. If it doesn't, and I don't know, figure something out. I'll show you something. Those are Halloween. Anyway, let's do this. Sorry about the 10 minutes. We're gonna hyperlapse that, make that faster. Bing. All right, shower. 7:45, 7:48. 7:48, I am out and just need to go grab some gas, hit the road. It rained, it already cleared up. It's awesome. So I don't have to drive in that crap. Yay! So wait 5 minutes. If you don't like the weather in Oklahoma, it's gonna change. Here we are. Let's do this. We're going to Aurora, Missouri, and we're gonna go camping in a thunderstorm in the cemetery. Amongst other things. That's our goal for today. Get to Aurora, find a cemetery, go camping. Actually, I know exactly where the cemetery is. I've camped there before, and ain't nobody gonna be bothering me there. Trust. It's really quiet. Just got topped off on gas. We have a little over 2 hour drive. It's 2.5. So it's head west, young man. That's what we're gonna do. I don't feel I'm all that young. West is really the wrong direction. We need to go northeast. But for now, it says head west. Head west. 2 hours, 35 minutes. 172 miles. Feel like I'm making good time, but I don't think I'm making good time. Still says like I got an hour and a half to go. Just a note.
coming underneath McDonald's. Welcome to Missouri, y'all. There it is. Bang! Going from 85 to 70 miles an hour. Yay! Picked up some time. We got 53 minutes to go. Coming to the sleepy little town of Joplin. Might need to stop and clean my windshield because I've been hitting bugs. Lots of bugs. Decided to pull into Petro. This is one of my favorite truck stops. Oh, they're expanding. Holy crap. Wow. This actually has a caribou coffee. If you don't know anything about caribou coffee, damn. Look at this. Hey. Hey, Buc-ee's. Check it out. Ha! Look at that. Just saying, Buc-ee's, you can do better. I got gas and I didn't even video it. Look at me. I'm growing up. Ah. Oh, I thought it was kind of cool. Just stopped to get a little gas. I'm on my exit. We're about 10 miles away from Aurora. There's the other side. Anyway, that was kind of neat. Yeah, it says 13 minutes. 13 minutes until we get to our campsite. Catch you then. I have arrived. Whoop. We're at Maple Park Cemetery. There we go. Mount something there. Where there says Maple Park. Here's Mount something else. Hang out with the Earned family. Just gotta get the curtains down and get everything set up. Relax a little bit. Get ready for bed. There's not much stealth about where I'm camping. There's definitely no doubt. There's a car parked right there. Hey, what's up? But it is a legal parking spot. And you can't see in. It's all blocked out. And I have my own little private view of the cemetery. Gorgeous stars too. Hey, there we go. It's almost 11 o'clock. I have to be up about 5:30 or so. It's going to start storming at like 3 a.m. So I'm looking forward to that. 100% chance of rain, quarter inch an hour. And it's not going to stop until after I'm done running in it. So, yay! But I do have a thing up my sleeve. You can't really see it down there, but there's this house right there. And then behind that house, McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's. I'm not making my coffee in the morning. I'm not making my breakfast in the morning. I'm gonna go drive down there, sit on their Wi-Fi and use their toilet and eat food. It's gonna be awesome. And then go over to the range and go run in the rain and do all that. So anyway, thought I'd wrap up real quick. People driving by makes me nervous. Not doing anything illegal. Just camping in my car, man. Anyway, see you in the morning.
Well, it's raining.
Saturday, 5:45 alarm just went off. I slept through most of the storm. It was really nice, actually. Kind of pleasant. It's starting to rain a little bit more now. Sun's coming up. Time to do this, man. Let's go run around in the rain. Yeah.
I'm so sure I figured this one out right. It's pouring. I mean, like pouring rain. I don't want to go out, man. That's crazy. Who would eat this food? Breakfast is done. And I'm on the road. We have a short, look at that. Bam. Short 10-minute drive. We're assuming that Google isn't going to get me lost this time, and it's just going to be a short 10-minute drive. One of these times, I just want a car camp in a car parking lot. Not a car, but a car dealership parking lot. I mean, come on, man. There's like all these spots, and nobody's going to suspect you. You're just another car in the lot. We are a half mile away. I am excited, and I'm not. All at the same time, I gotta say, I'm not really looking forward to running around in the rain. I don't mind working in the rain, but this is just gonna tear my gear up, man. Oh well. Damon's property, and then we got over here, we got the zip line. This is what got me last time. I got confused. What's up, cow? Ooh, and she's full too. We have to go through this tunnel somehow and come out. Oh, it's a lot. Oh. Huh. I don't know, man. We'll figure this out. I don't. Anyone parked down here yet? Thanks, wipers. I don't even know what time this thing starts. Back 40 Warrior. Yay, he fixed his bridge. Man, that thing was scary to drive across. You had to line it right up. Like there was two little things, and that was it. This is where all the contestants park and where all the festivities are. We will be down there. Oh, those trees really grew. Those are nice. Those were just little buds last year. He holds sand volleyball matches here, some other things, some training for his church. Although it looks like the sand volleyball courts have not been used for a while. I don't even see the obstacle course set up. Huh. Let's go find out.
About 45 seconds if anyone's still out there. his best, but they're always good.
Yeah.
Morning. Welcome to Back 40 Warrior, home to season that's been running again. Glad you all are here. You're kind of a rough-looking crew, but
What's up, puppy? About ready to step off. Waiting for my go. About 1 minute. Hanging out. I've been on the course for 30 minutes. I'm gassed. Holy cow, it's humid. It didn't help it. Like, I'm just walking through hay. Having a great time. Infamous rock wall. Let's do this. You know what? On my pound lap. 5 stages, 4th mile. Bike ride, kayak, wall climb, obstacles. About done. See you there in a minute. Whew. Hour and a half. A little 4 miles, hour and a half on trail. That sounds bad. I'm really sweaty, quite dehydrated. Yeah, that was a hard run. I'm on my way to my stage. I'm ROing stage 3. I'm gonna get up there and take a little break, change clothes, rinse off, see if I can put on some lighter weight clothes and call some hits, man. Hopefully I'll be home in less than 12 hours. All right, let's do this. Okay. Downrange is a 1 target for rifle.
Yep.
There's 1 target for pistol. 3 shots.
Yep.
Strong hand, rifle target.
Yep.
Transition to 6 hits, pistol.
Okay.
Transition back to 3 shots, weak hand.
Gotcha. Okay.
And it's a sliding scale, 3, 2, 1 on
Do
your
I
points.
start down here? Or?
However you like to call it, hop up, load.
This one's not timed, is it?
Nothing's timed on this course except the stage 4. You have a par time. Hit. 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 6 hits pistol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more. 6. 3 shots, weak hand. Hit. All right, unload to clear. Come on down. Down the hill. All right, from the barricade, you'll have 5 hits on a rifle target off to your left-hand side.
5 hits?
Off this little cut right here.
Okay, that's right there. It's close.
Yeah, you're about 20 yards up is where your barricade is. All right, through the barricade off to the left-hand side, there's a 12-inch gong. 5 hits. Hit. 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 4. 5. Unload and show clear. You won't need your rifle for about another 25 minutes. You're good. Down 7 shots with your pistol from a little wood barricade. It's got white paint on it. I'll show you when we get there. Run or walk or however.
Yeah. It's the running gun, right?
It's a running gun. If it wasn't for you, I probably would have quit a long time ago. Just in case anyone's watching, this guy passed me twice on my first running gun. And told me I was doing a good job. And I believed you. All right, from that little box. 7 shots, pistol, in the little shed.
Oh, I see it. Okay. How many shots?
7 shots, pistol. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Awesome.
That it?
That's it.
Sweet.
Back up to the.
So I'm missing 1 there and 2 on the rifle. Not too bad for as out of practice as I am.
It's gonna suck when you're gonna see you for a while.
Yeah, 2 years at least. Unfortunately.
My boy's going to Canada. There they go. Lichtenberg duo, father son, deployed to Canada. Oh, this event is no joke. No joke. I've been going nonstop since I got here. Oh. I left for the course at 9, finished at 10:30. I was back up here by not even hardly 11. And I've been running competitors through. And it is, oh, what time is it? Okay, it's 12:15. So I've been up here for an hour and 15 minutes and I'm wiped out. Oh my God. Beautiful. Beautiful day though. Just really humid. Really humid. Belt did great. Pistol hole was a little floppy. Gotta work on that. I have to put some sort of drop on it. The med pack did a great job as a butt pad going down the tube. I just sat on that and there's a tube. It's like 30 foot long going downhill and you had to slide down it inside of it. Oh. I'm gonna dump some water in my head and drink some water and then do some more hit calling. I might even practice a little bit. Catch you later. We are wrapped. Well, our stage is wrapped. Everyone's been through. It's a mucky mess everywhere. I just rinsed off, changed clothes, rocked my new shirt. Getting ready to go back up to the house. Oh, car is trashed. I don't know how else to put it. Just trashed. I told you this is gonna be a muddy, wet mess. I've gone through 1, 2, 3 pairs of shoes. Underneath my bag is my slip-on shoes because somehow my truck flooded last night in the rain. And there was 1.5 inches of standing water in the passenger side. So I think Jared had a drill. We drilled the hole out, or drilled the floor out. You can see the hole down there. Drain the water out, but right my bag is sitting on top of my shoes trying to stay dry. And there's just flies everywhere. Just everywhere. So we're gonna drive around with the windows open so we can get rid of the flies. Get some air conditioning, drink some water, drink some Powerade. I need to make some coffee when I get there because I'm going to drive home. It's 3:15 now. There's a very good possibility that I will make it back before dark. I hope I make it back before dark. That'd be really cool. Awesome. I'll see you in a minute.
But it was 110 points shooting, and then 100 points for running, and everyone was placed on a descending scale. The first runner coming in getting 100, and then everyone else dropping down in a descending scale, and I never disclosed that. If you were the last runner in, you don't get 0, you get some points for completing the course. Okay. In third place, with a total score out of 210 possible, with a score of 181, Andrew Goff. Second place, with a score of 188, Justin Johnson. Stand right here. Coming in first place, that may have been the best shooting score that we've had here ever. Coming in at first place with a score of 201 out of 210 possible. Okay. Caleb Nelson. Step right up here, Caleb. That was some fantastic shooting, my friend. Congratulations. Great job. Well done.
That's it. It's 4:57. We are finished. They put the awards out, and I am on my way. Oh, please, please, please. Oh. Yeah. My little car, like if you look at the tracks, it's got like 2 inches on each side of that middle of the track. Anyway, we are on our way home. Should be able to make it all the way back tonight. It's gonna be awesome because the car is just ruined. It's ruined more than I could even probably put together to try to make a camper back out of it. So we're not gonna. I'm just gonna drive home, take a shower at my home, and take you with me, but not to the shower part. Oh, wow. Ooh, welcome to Oklahoma. We made it. Hour and 45-minute drive to go. I'm going to make this a 24-hour trip. Should arrive home at the exact same time that I left last night, except I got to stop and get beer. And in case you're wondering if you made it this far into the video, no, my little thing says welcome to Oklahoma. That's very nice. I'm going to dismiss you. In case you're wondering, the inset video that I put, the little hyperlapse of me driving, that's for me. I like going back and watching the video and zooming in so that the hyperlapse is all I see. Because I don't need to see me. I mean, really, there's not much going on here. I'm driving. Hey, I'm driving here. And there's not much to see, right? So I look at this part. Actually, something like that. It's going to be over here. I watch that part as I listen to the narration of the video, and it's way more interesting for me to see the transitions from the different states, the different cities, the topography difference, the difference in the trees. Like you'll see it just in this trip, we've gone from really hilly and rocky, and we're going to end up in kind of rolly hills and plains, no rocks whatsoever. If I go down south, you'll see lots of the trees get shorter and shorter and shorter and get darker, and there's cactus everywhere. So I enjoy watching the inset video. I don't know if you guys do or not, but it's here. It makes it a little bit more interesting. You can see what I'm seeing as I drive. This is really long. of what I said is just going to end up deleted. Oh well, it's either that or it's really long and boring. So yeah, this 18 minutes is going to get cut down to about 2. Did you notice my hat? Did you? Beretta. Been wearing a SIG hat. I won it. So, you know, I won the hat at an OED event. It's always been kind of a thing. I've just been wearing that hat. I love the hat. It doesn't have the little thingy on top, which I always clip on everything, and it just nails me right in the skull. Ugh. Hate that. This one's got one on it, but it's a Beretta hat. Yeah, buddy. It's a patch supportive, so I can all of it, you know, I can throw a patch on there. But it's Beretta. See? How cool, man. Boom. Now I have myself a barrel mount hat. Aha. Barrel mount. Team match. July 19th. You're going to be there. So I'm going to be there. It's going to be me and Pepperoni. It's my partner. Not going to give away his name because he'll kill me. He's armed. He's a good shot. Ain't going to mess around with Pepperoni. Anyway, our team name is Pepperoni with extra cheese. On the extra cheese. Welcome to Oklahoma Plains. We are back to Tulsa. This is a mess. It's a mess. Anyway, we are back in Tulsa. It is 7:15. 7:15. I'm scheduled to be home by 7:30 according to my little GPS machine down here. And at that point, I will get this car unpacked and the seat put back in because we're going out to dinner. I just spoke with my wife, and I am being told that I am going to drive, so I gotta switch the vehicle back over to being a daily driver. And I'm realizing that's gonna literally hit 24 hours changeover. It's gonna be kind of fun. So I'm gonna video that real quick, and I'll cut all that up in little tiny pieces, and I'll make it really short. Where should we eat? I'm trying to figure that out. I'm thinking Charleston's. Always wanted to eat at Charleston's. There's 3 of them here. Haven't done it yet. That sounds really tasty. Something like that. I need some American food. Not necessarily American. It's feel good. Like burger, fries, maybe a steak, baked potato. Trip through a salad bar. You know? I need some food. I'm hungry. Alright, start a stopwatch. Just pulled in. Lost 15 seconds. Oh, Bjorn, you approve? There you go. Say hi, Bjorn. Say bye, Bjorn. Dog approved. All right. Oh. Just to finish it off. Bang. There we are. All packed up. I'm sorry, I lied. There's never going to be a short video.